First, we start by sectioning the hair. We're dividing the front part into two equal sections. Next, from the main section to the ear, we create another straight line. These lines will serve as your primary guide. After sectioning, secure all parts with rubber bands except for one of the front sections. Now take a straight line from the remaining section. Make sure it's neat, then tie it with a rubber band. Important tip: always tie each section after dividing it. This keeps the section clean and helps create neat and beautiful braids. After sectioning the front, it's time to section the back of the hair. Using a comb, extend the lines from the front downwards to create a straight line at the back. The front sections are usually wider than the back sections, so it's natural for the sections to become narrower as you move from the front to the back. When you are starting the braid, divide the section into two equal parts. One part will be for one strand of the braid, the other part will be for the second strand. These techniques ensures that your braid stays straight and centered throughout the process. When your braid becomes thin, you can use a tip and only divide from one part and use her from one part to a strand, and the other part will be braiding simply without adding hair.